Devanandan. I work as the head of the Department of Pharmacy Practice at St. Peter's Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Also, I serve as the Leadership Development Coordinator at ECPG. We at St. Peter's focus on an experiential learning atmosphere for the students, a student-centric learning, where we give them an hands-on approach to all the practical equipments as well as the hospital cases. And we also focus more towards novel teaching techniques like blended learning, ICT-enabled classes, and flipped classes, and so on. So typically my day starts at 9 a.m. Where I reach my institution at 9 a.m. and I look forward to doing all my academic, administrative, and research works that I carry on a day-to-day basis. I personally believe that when we work for the right person, the best in us will come out and we will be able to contribute more. So this is what is happening here at St. Peter's. I'm talking about none other than my chairman, Mr. K. Jaipal Reddy, who has been a biggest source of motivation for me, who has been guiding me, who has been supporting me in all the activities that I have undertaken, in all the work that I take part, all the projects that I do. And not just me, but everyone here at St. Peter's will look up to him as our vision for whatever we are doing here. So this is my cabin, this is where I start my day. Usually I come here, check for my mails, review my space work, and look forward to what I do today. So I meet various faculty here, students, and listen to their suggestions, issues, or what to be addressed, all those things here. And I plan for my classes. I teach pharmacotherapy for family students, so I plan for my classes here. And I look forward to whatever the research papers that I communicated to journals. I work on that. So basically all my regular activities I'll plan here, I'll execute it wherever it has to be executed, but planning takes place here. Usually 3 days a week or 4 days a week I used to visit our hospital, where all my family students and MPharm practice students undergo hospital clinical training as well as wardrooms. So I'll be visiting there, taking some bedside classes and discussing with the physicians regarding any drug interactions or medication errors. My hospital generally has cardiology, ophthalmology, neurology, psychiatry, gastroenterology, general medicine, general surgery, and various other departments. So all my students undergo their clinical training postings in all these departments under various physicians. So that is one of the routine activities we do there. They will be carrying out wardrooms along with the physicians, where they help them out in drug interactions, medication errors, monitoring of adverse drug reactions, and they bring those cases to me to discuss with what can be done to the patient. And we work on more on patient outcomes, and we try to improve on health literacy for the patients. My faculty and my students in hospital will carry out various research activities, observational and interventional studies, and regularly they will be performing OSCEs, objective structure clinical examinations. And they have their role in hospital pharmacy as well. So on a whole, my day will revolve around these activities in hospital. And when it comes to college, I'll be focusing on the academic part as well as some research part and administrative work as well. As a part of my regular routine, I'll be visiting classes and laboratories where pharmacy and B-pharmacy programs are run. So today I have come here to visit machine room where pharmaceutical formulations labs are running. They are working on spray dryer.
Collection of field, drying unit, and then you also have your collection of product, right? So whenever you are sending your product over here,
I have been associated with Dr. Praveen for the past 4 years. I have always seen him involved in various activities in the college. He has been a source of inspiration for all the students, for the staff as well. He was involved in many accreditation processes in the college and have got many approvals for the college. I think his work here is commendable. He's very sincere, hardworking, and his dedication and his sincerity, his leadership qualities always keep everyone on our toes for the work.
So research is something where we spend a lot of time here at St. Peter's. For example, this is a research work that has been carried out by my research group. We have developed a liposomal formulation and we are evaluating its particle size actually. So whatever the formulation that have been developed so far, we are right now looking for its drug content and we have just loaded it into our experience.
Dr. Praveen is one of our most valuable assets we have in our college. He is a very prominent speaker and has been inspiring many aspirants and students.
I'm right now working on the PowerPoint presentation. for a talk that I'm going to deliver in Singapore in a couple of days, 33rd Singapore Pharmacy Conference. So this is my PowerPoint presentation which I'm working on. Being an academic, it's my major responsibility to teach classes, to teach courses. So here I regularly teach pharmacotherapeutics 1 and pharmacotherapeutics 2, which deals with the pathophysiology and pharmacotherapy of various diseases related to various specialties. So today I'm going to teach about hypertension to pharmacy second year students.
As an honor to get to learn so many things from Praveen sir. Thanks for inspiring me all that time. The hard work and efforts you invested to bring best out of me can never be repaid in mere words. I can only feel thankful for having such a great teacher in my life.
I'm extremely delighted to introduce you all my best friend Dr. Anjeet Chaudhary, who is also an academic pharmacist. We have been through this together in this journey for the last 14 years, right from our undergraduate days to our postgraduate, to our PhDs, to the work that we have been doing over the last 14 years. It's my regular habit that every day I share my activities, my work that I have been doing here, as well as the hospital-related works with Dr. Anjeet. And he's one of my major source of support for all my professional career.
Dr. Praveen Devanandan, our Honorable HOD, who deserve such talk both as a great person and as a teacher. Of course, we do not hold such great position to speak about him, but as a proud student, I expect his guidance in every research I perform or every publication which I do.
So one of the major activities that I perform here at St. Peter's is administrative activities. Every day, several committees meet together and discuss upon various issues. So today, we have internal quality assurance cell meeting in our boardroom.
With Dr. Praveen for the past 14 years. Right from our college days, he was very hardworking, and whatever lapses we faced during our college days, we tried to incorporate and fill those gaps and lapses in the academic curriculum, and we try to maintain what is good for the students and other welfares for the college.
So that concludes my day. The official teaching part of the institution concludes at 4:30 p.m. But the research and laboratory courses will run till 6:37 depending upon the kind of work. So I technically complete my day around 5:36 in the institution. Then I head on to my home, or before going to home, I'll browse through my mail for any works that are related to ECPG, like Leadership Development Program or Leadership Development Workshop. Or I look for some grants that I can apply for the projects that I undertake. So that I do once the official works are being completed. I spent an hour or so in the evening for that. Later on, it goes on with my personal life. So that's my day. Thank you so much for spending time and going through my day at my institution as well as my life.